In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void a check in QuickBooks Online. Voiding a check is the right choice when you want to keep a record of the original transaction but set its amount to zero. For example, if a check was written for the wrong amount, printed on the wrong number, or never sent. Unlike deleting, voiding preserves your audit trail. Start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Open the settings icon in the top right corner to reveal your company options. From there, choose Chart of Accounts. This is where all your bank and credit card accounts live, and it's the quickest path to the check you want to void. Find the bank account the check was written from, then open its View Register. The register shows every transaction flowing through that account. Make sure you're in the correct account. Scroll, or use the search and filter tools to locate the check you need. Confirm the check number, payee, and date so you avoid touching the wrong transaction. Click the check to expand it, then select Edit to open the full check form. Before you proceed, it's a good practice to type a brief note in the memo field explaining why you're voiding, so future you, or your accountant, can see the context. At the bottom of the check window, click More, then choose Void. QuickBooks will warn you that the amount will be changed to zero while the historical record remains. To finish, click Void Transaction to confirm. Back in the register, you'll now see the check with an amount of zero and a status indicating it was voided. The original check number is retained. If the check had been reconciled previously, QuickBooks may prompt you about the impact. Consider the reconciliation period and speak with your accountant if you're unsure of the correct void date. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If the check was never cashed and you're replacing it, you can reissue a new check to the payee with the correct details after voiding. If attachments were on the original check, they'll remain linked for reference. And remember, voiding keeps your books clean without erasing history, which is generally preferred for audit and compliance. You now know how to quickly find, edit, and void a check in QuickBooks Online with confidence. Open the settings icon, go to Chart of Accounts, view the correct bank register, select the check, click Edit, choose More, hit Void, and confirm with Void Transaction. Follow these steps and your records will stay accurate, traceable, and ready for reporting.